for you to have a clearer picture, Manila Bay is about 199,000 hectares. And the projects are mostly concentrated the side of NCR and a little bit going to Cavite. So ito pong approved projects sa NCR, they're actually 13. Yung 22 po nasasabi, there are approved projects nationwide. So meron po sa Cebu, meron po sa Davao, meron po.
Okay.
So the 13 is concentrated here sa Manila Bay. So itong 13 na to, ma'am, if we would go estimate yung laki niya, even though yung iba po have not started yet, we're looking at a 5,000 to 6,000 hectare area. For Pasay project, nag-apply po sila as early as yung SM po. SM and Pasay, they applied as early as 2012 and 2013. For most of the projects right now, they applied during the term of President Duterte, which is 2016. So, sipin nyo ma'am, 2013, 2016, nag-start sila ma'am, earliest is 2021. So the process of the approval and securing of all these permits will take you about 2, 3 years or 5 years, ma'am, after their application with PRA.